Hi guys, this is Darkside707, founder of Drinks After Midnight Productions. I'm doing a series of card and magic tricks over the next couple of weeks. And I want to start off today with a very good card trick that I know. It's called Queens Out of Control. Now, if you're seeing me at YouTube, hi, you know, we have more videos coming your way. If you're not seeing me on YouTube and you're at a different website, please go to YouTube, type in Darkside707 under the search. You can see all the videos that I have done. So we're going to go and get started. I apologize, I have a little bit of the sniffles today, but it's not going to deter us from doing this great card trick for you. Now I'm going to show you the first set of queens here. I'm going to come a little closer so you guys can see. That's me right there, my ashy hands. We have 1, 2, 3, and 4 queens right there. Now we're going to go ahead and turn these guys over, set them right there. Going to take this, we don't need this anymore, we're just going to toss it off to the side. We have another set of queens here. We have 1, 2, 3, and 4 queens right there. I'm going to set this queen about right there. She should be at the lower part of your screen, right there. And I'm going to take these cards right here. Just palm off the top one. Here, we even set these right here so you guys can see them too. There you go. And we're going to set her right there. All you got to do for this trick is you just got to tap the button, just like that. And before you know it, all the queens, 1, 2, 3, and 4 turn upside down. Amazing, huh? We're going to set her right there. Now we're going to take another queen. This one's going to be face up. And if you wave this time instead of actually pressing the button, but again, if you wave, all the queens right now turn face up. I don't know how it happens, but we have 1, 2, 3, and 4 queens. I'll set her right, excuse me, right there. I'll take another queen random, face down, and I'll press the button. And before we know it, all the queens now turn face down. 1, 2, 3, and 4, just like that. We'll even set that one right there. We'll take the last queen right here, face up, wave over the top just like that, and all of them now turn face up. I don't know how it happens. 1, 2, 3, and 4. It just happens. We'll set her right there. Now I'm going to take another queen invisibly. Can you see her? You know, I'll even turn her over and you can see her better. 1, 2, and 3. And I'll take another queen invisibly, turn them over, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And I'll take the last set, tap them just like that, and then we're just stuck with 2. Now what I want you to do, you can take a look at these queens right here. It's all on the back. If you turn them over, they actually turn from queens into jokers, and you can even see these 1, 2, 3, and 4 queens. They've now turned to jokers. That's 1. That's 2. That's 3. But if you get this too close, bam, it turns right back into a queen. I don't know how it happens, it just happens. You guys can see these cards front to back, but what I really want you to do is see these queens here. I'll move these forward. See these ones from front all the way to back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that right there is called Queens Out of Control. Again, if you want to see more videos and you're not on YouTube, go to YouTube, under search, type in Darkside707, and you'll find my other videos. Hope you have a great day. Thank you.